Hello. Um, I finished installing them. As you can see, the new ones are a lot brighter. They're on the lower shelf. The original ones are in the middle shelf. You can see the new one is a lot brighter. It's almost too bright. And I also noticed a couple other things. Let me turn on the lights here. Hold on a second. So this one is a new one. The one's a lot brighter. This one, as I showed you in the beginning of the video, is the older one. It's not as bright. I also noticed that this one is waterproof. It has as you can see, it's a coating around it. It's hard to see there. This one is not waterproof. It's a lot thinner. As you can see, I'll put them side by side so you can see the difference. And this one, because it's a lot thinner and it doesn't have that rubber or plastic coat around it, it's a lot lighter. So it's a little bit easier to install, like if you're doing a undermount with some tape, because it's a lot lighter. This one, you flex it, but it wants to come back, and it's heavier too. So you cannot just put tape because the tape will just fall. I don't know. If I had to buy again, I guess I'll do the same thing. Buy a little bit of that one and a little bit of this one, and just combining, depending on what you're trying to do. But if you're looking for something brighter, this one is definitely brighter. If looking for something nice that's not as bright, this one is probably your best option. And this one, you can power with batteries. I guess this one you could power with batteries as well because they all have the same connection. But because this one is a lot brighter, the one on the left, probably gonna run out of batteries pretty quickly. Also, I did not use the motion sensor that came with this one. I'll show you right now what I did. It's right under there. It's right there. I just used the white one that came with this kit. I bought several of those kits, so I have extra pieces. And what's cool about this one too, it came with that, but this one also has a USB plug. Let me show you. This is the connection that goes there. So if you have like a phone charger, or USB plug, you can just power it that way. And that's what I chose to do on the other side. And I'll just turn around and show you quickly, so you know what I mean. So this is the set that used to power batteries, but I was getting tired of replacing batteries, even though it's just like once a month or so. I just went to Amazon again and bought a long USB extension and ran under here. And I have a whole phone charger. It's just there, USB powered. And I'll just power that one that way. It's falling a little bit to the right there. Like I said, this one is a little bit harder to install because it's heavier. So if you just put tape there, it's not gonna stay. So my next option is to use, let me get this here. It's like a USB light diffuser track, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna install there on the ones that are too bright, because I like it, but it's a little bit too bright. So, well, that's it. So those are the two options I found on Amazon. I like them both, depending on what you're trying to do. You know, one may be the best option, the other one may not be so good. But this is what this video is for, so you can see and choose for yourself what's gonna work for you. I'm just gonna do a quick look under so you can see the lights right there. And actually this one is so light, you can just put some tape around there and it'll stay. The other one is over here, right there. And this is the thicker one that's very hard to undermount because it's like, has that rubber waterproof coat around it. And if you're trying to undermount and just put tape, it will just fall off quickly. And that's actually what's happening over there. You can see on the right corner, there's a little bit falling there. And again, each one has its pros and cons. So I still have some left to do on the other shelves on the other room. So I'll work on that, but it's going to be basically the same thing as this video, so I'm probably not going to do a video on that. So again, just watch my other videos. I'm going to do a video on how I did the shelves. Probably going to be next. So if you want to see how that was done, just watch my other video. Probably going to post it today or tomorrow or so. Okay, thank you.